Hi students, welcome again to Bishop Academy online classes. Today we have to get discussed over the league tournaments under the very first chapter, planning in sports. So you have to know what the league tournament is. A league tournament is a competition in which each team are made to compete with all other participants in turn, one after another. Okay, what is advantage of such type of tournaments? It is reliable ranking. It provide a team ranking as per its own capability. Even it provide a lot of opportunities as all the teams play not a single match, various number of matches. Along with it, it have interest among players and even among sport spectators which like to see the match of a particular team. Along with it, it also raised standard. Disadvantage, it is time consuming, more number of officials are essential, and also it is expensive to organize. Now you have to know the various methods of deciding the winners in what? League tournaments. As you find, the winner could not be decided with one matches. That's why here are two different methods of selecting what? Winners in league tournament. In British methods, okay, the total points obtained are divided by the total possible points. So here it's become essential for you to know that in league tournament, if a team get victory or won the match, it get 2 points, and if the match become draw, both the teams get 1 and 1 points, and the team which lost the match get 0 points. So while deciding the winner under British method, we have to just calculate the total points. Okay, suppose as for example, what if a team plays 10 matches in a tournament and win 8 matches and 2 matches remain draw. Okay, in this condition the percentile of the team get calculated here, that total points 16 plus 2, that is 18 points. 16, 8 matches, 2 which win by the team, 2 points for each matches. So it becomes 16 and 2 matches become draw, and due to which 1 point for each. So it becomes 16 plus 2, 18. When all possible points could be, there are number of matches 10, 10 into 2, 20 points could be there. Now there is a formula, percentage of points is equal total points obtained into 100 upon total possible points. So point obtained is 18 and total possible point is 20. The performance of the team is 90%. Okay, the team which secure maximum percentage considered as winner. On the other hand, in American methods, we divide the number of matches won by the total number of matches played. For example, here you find a team plays 8 matches and win 6 matches in the tournament. Then the points should be calculated in this way: total matches won, how much? 6, total matches played 8, and we multiplied it with 100. So performance of this team is 75%. On these two methods, we decided the winner of the tournament. On the other hand, there is also a very simple way of tracing out the winners. As in the beginning I told you that the team which win the tournament get 2 points, if the match get draw they get 1 point, and the teams which lost the match get 0 point. So when we calculated all these points, we also get the winner of the tournaments. Now you have to know how to draw the fixture for these teams. Here fixture for 6 teams in league tournaments. So league tournament fixture could be drawn in various way. There are various methods of drawing what? League tournament fixture. First is considered as first is considered as stair method, okay, and second is considered as cyclic method. These are the two methods from which this fixture for 6 teams in league tournament could be drawn. So first of all, we have to get discussed over staircase method. So we will start with, here we find that number of teams is 6, okay. So we have to arrange the teams in this sequence: A, then B, then C, then D, then E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then F. And at every place we have to write A, and then we have to subdivide it, okay. Then we have to just subtract one cell in this procedure and eliminated team A. Once again we have to write at every place B. B have to play with C, same team, D, E, and F. We have to once again subdivide it. B eliminated, now it is chance for C. C have to play with same team, D. Once again C get eliminated, which team up to come here? D. D have to play with, here is the mistake, E and F. D have to play with E and D have to play with F, and this team D once again eliminated. Now it is chance for E, and E have to play with F. Is that clear to you? So this is the way of making fixture for 6 team through staircase methods, okay. It is first round, second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. Number of matches, should be n into n minus 1 upon 2. Number of teams 6 into 5 upon 2 is equal 15. So calculate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our fixture is correct. The second method is what? Cyclic method. In cyclic method, we have to arrange the teams in the same way. As you study in मैट्रिक्स, आप लोगों ने मैट्रिक्स पढ़ा हुआ है, in the same way. Okay, A have to play with B, F have to play with C, E have to play with D. Okay, it is first round. फर्स्ट राउंड में कौन कौन से मैचेज हो रहे हैं? ए का बी के साथ, एफ का सी के साथ, ई का डी के साथ. इसके बाद हम इस टीम को इसके जगह पर जो है फिक्स रखते हैं. बाकी सारे टीम को, चूंकि साइक्लिक है, वी हैव टू जस्ट चेंज द पोजीशन. सेकेंड ग्रुप बनता है, ए गेट्स प्लेस. ओके, एंड देन we have to distribute the team in anti-clockwise. So this position adopted by B, and this position adopted by F, this position adopted by E, and this position adopted by D. A new matrix get created for second round. The matches in second round are A have to play with C, B have to play with D, and F had to play with E. Once again, we have not to change this A remain at its place, C get place of B, C, B, F, E and D. It is third round. A have to play with D, C have to play with E, and B have to play with F. Okay. Now once again we have to move the cycle with placing A at its place. Okay. D get the place of C, D, C, B, F and E. It is fourth राउंड. फोर्थ राउंड में कौन कौन से मैचेज हो रहे हैं? A with E, D with F and C with B. Once again we have to displace the teams. A at the place of D, it is the chance of E, D, C, B and F. It is fifth round and matches A to F, E to B and D to C. Okay. When we change this position once again, then what we find? This condition, when F get this position, okay, the same procedure of this matrix get available here. Okay. So entire these cycles, the number of team is 6, then 5 rounds could be initiated. Is that clear to you? Now we have to calculate the number of matches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total number of matches 15. So our fixer is correct. So thank you student for watching this video, and I hope you will make more and more fixers to understand both these method of drawing league fixers. Thank you.